So I recently applied for the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. This is a flat rate earning cashback card that earns 1.5x points every purchase. So if you pair this up with a travel card like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Reserve, you can get even more points out of this 1.5 back. So this is a really nice card for those of you who are kind of interested in travel and are not wanting to fuss with the rotating categories of the Chase Freedom card. So this Freedom Unlimited just gives you a flat cash rate for every one of your purchases. So if you don't really want to fuss with that kind of thing, this is a great flat rate cashback card. So I did get approved for this, so I'm going to be doing the unboxing for you guys in this video in just a moment. This card does have a sign-up bonus of $150 after $500 of spend within the first 3 months of getting this card. So if you're interested in applying for this card, please consider using my referral link. I'll put it in the description box and also in the comment section. That would just be a simple way for you to support my work on this channel. So this showed up in my mailbox after about 1 week after I was instantly approved. So this comes in a very simple envelope, so thieves won't think that there's actually a credit card in it, so I appreciate that. And just ripping it open reveals all the little paperwork that you get standard with a credit card. There's like a quick welcome guide to the actual card and more extensive welcome guide. You got card member agreements, and then of course the paper that contains your card. So in no particular order, let's just start out with the benefits guide. This is an extensive little pamphlet that applies to both the Freedom card as well as the Freedom Unlimited. So this is the same one that comes packaged if you were to get the 5x back Freedom card. So opening up, just giving me a quick look at it. It offers all the different kinds of benefits like purchase protection, travel protection, roadside assistance, all that, what you can get standard with the Freedom Unlimited and also the Visa Platinum or Signature branding. So that's pretty standard stuff. It's pretty well laid out. I do like the way that Chase details this. Not every company does it the same way, but I do like the way that Chase does it. Moving on, it is the privacy disclosure that every card company has to provide you. It's basically what Chase shares with third parties and how you can limit certain types of sharing. And now for some more consumer-friendly paperwork. This is your card member agreement, and this is basically details out what you are responsible for. Obviously, you are basically borrowing money from the credit card company. You have to repay them every month. So this just details the type of transactions that can occur, the fees associated, yada yada. You just go ahead and look through this yourself. I do like the way that Chase tabs everything out, so it's very clear. They even have a little glossary at the end for defining different vocabulary too. Then the final piece of literature before we get to the more personal stuff and of course the card are the highlights of this card. So again, 1.5% back on every purchase, and then you also details on what you can do with those points. You can redeem it for statement credit, redeem it right back into your bank account, or you can do gift cards, which I definitely do not recommend, or of course travel if you have a Sapphire card. So that's what I would recommend, but this is just a really nice overview of what this card offers for you. So now we come to the welcome letter. I have covered up some of my information because I don't need you guys to see that. But it's basically just a little quick splurge of welcome you to the Chase Freedom Unlimited card. It has your credit line right there and your rates on the back. And now the moment that you all have been waiting for, and that is the actual card. And there it is sitting on this additional welcome paper. So it's kind of a dark metallic blue color, even though it is a plastic card. A little bit darker hue than the regular Chase Freedom card. Anyways, it's just a really quick start on how to get your account set up right there on the bottom. So removing the card from the paper and putting it off to the side just for the moment so we can take a look at the back of this paper. This is kind of the interesting part. It details on how you were approved for this. So it shows you the credit bureau that it pulled your credit file from, and in this case it's pretty much always Equifax for Chase. And then on the bottom it shows when you actually approved and at what credit score you were approved for. So you can see that I applied on the last day of 2018 and was approved at 778. So here's just a closer look at the Chase Freedom Unlimited and also how it compares looks-wise to the Chase Freedom on the right that I have right here. You can see I was approved for the Visa Signature card because my credit line is above 5,000. And because I applied and was approved in late 2018, basically early 2019, this card ships with the contactless payment ability right in the card. So you can see that little like Wi-Fi bar signal, and if you flip over the card, you can see there is the icon for it. So this supports that contactless payment similar to what you can get from Apple Pay, except it's built right into the card. So that concludes this unboxing video. Again, if you're interested in applying for this card, please consider using my referral link down below. If you're interested in seeing my experience after 3 months hitting that sign up bonus, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.